Hi everyone, this is Cindy. So I have a pocket letter for Kathleen Robinson. She's here on YouTube. She's having a giveaway, and so I decided to participate. Her rules are that you have to be a subscriber, and I have to make her a pocket letter and mail it to her. And so I did that. And before I go over my pocket letter, I wanted to show you all the materials that I used, just in case you guys were wondering. So I used the Spellbinders Nestabilities, the number 4 templates. I really don't know where to get the name of the die set, but it's this one. I did use the Greeting Farm Perk Up, the die set, the coffee die. I also used the Sizzix You and Me. I used the Stamping Up Cups and Kettle Framelets. I used the Dear Lizzie dies. I used the Stamping Up Love Notes. I used a cut up of designed by Verby coffee die set, the coffee one. I used the Sizzix coffee embossing folder. And I used the Tim Holtz freshly brewed coffee die. And I used the Be Mine paper collection from Echo Park. This collection was at a Tuesday morning, and I tried to pick up all of the packages that were there because I really love this collection. And when I picked up the 6x6 back in in the 2014, 13, I forgot. I was running out, and I was like, oh my god, so I was hoarding that paper pad, but now I can use it. So anyways, so here's my Perk Up coffee die. I used like one of those big paper clips from Daiso. They were $150 and you get like 40 of them, so I still have like a lot. And I used one of the stickers that was in the collection. And I'm going to change the paper pad here on a coffee sleeve, but just because it does not match, so I want to make sure that it matches. So here I put the doily in the background to make it seem like a doily. I didn't realize it was going to peek out of the coffee cup, so I tried to cover it with the heart, because when I was trying to peel it off the paper, it was ripping the background paper, so I have to let it go. I have to leave it like that now. But I'll see if I can fix it or replace the background paper and do it again. And then here I use the Love Notes from Stamping Up. As you can see, you can actually take those little rectangles, things that are inside the card out. I'm sorry, I'm still sick. You can take them out, but I decided to leave them in just because I really like the texture that it gives it, and it just looks full. Right here, I used the die again as the doily in the background for this coffee mug. And then that's where I used the coffee die. Here, I made like a simple little tag. I used a hot air balloon from the Dear Lizzie die. Here's where I used the Sizzix You and Me die. I used the female. And I really like it because since it's very girly, every time I go to get coffee and stuff like that, it's always like females who have like their little coffee with the cute purse, the little cute shoes and cute clothing, you know. So that's what that's why I put her there. Not not anything, nothing like that, just because I thought it was cute. And then here is where I used the Tim Holtz coffee set. And again, this I wanted to make the coffee cup very hot pink. It's the DCW paper pad collection. It's in one of my haul videos from Tuesday morning. Here again is where I used the You and Me camera set. I was going to use the Tim Holtz one, but when I grabbed the die to use the lady, I forgot that it came with a camera set, so I liked it much better than the Tim Holtz, in my opinion. And then I used a little bit of glitter paper that's from the Red Collection from Michaels to add it there in the center. And I forgot to mention that in the background, this one and this one, that's where I used the embossing folder to emboss the little coffee cups, which makes it It looks very cute. I like this one. So here again, I used a doily. I used the coffee cups from Stamping Up. And then I don't know if you can see, but that's like transparent paper. I forgot what it's called. I can't think of it now. Vellum paper, there you go. And I got this paper from the Recollection brand from Michaels. There you go. And last one, the paper pad had like tickets, like stickers tickets and a butterfly, so I decided to like add it there. I was going to add butterflies and I completely forgot to take them out. So but honestly, I think it came out really good. I'm actually proud of myself. And then the forever again is just a sticker from the paper pad. And when I make pocket letters and send it to my recipients, I don't like to add the goodies in the back because it makes it bulkier. So what I like to do is get separate bags like glassine bags or anything and put the goodies in there. Is it just because I don't like the bulkiness of the pocket letter? And in the back, there's nothing in the back. It's just like the design of the paper in the back. But yeah, nothing in the back. And yeah, that's it. Really hope you guys like it. I really like coffee and I really wanted to make it girly for her. So hopefully she likes it. And Kathleen, if you're watching, this will be on your way soon, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye.